Hello. This open house for KVS Computer Science is more intended for the parents of the students, but students, you probably want to make sure that you know this as well. I covered it in the tutorials earlier today. I am going to hit the share, nope, not, yes, share screen. Okay, so in Canvas, in our class, I do want to let you know that all of the information you need about grades, grading, navigating through the course, academic integrity, etc., are all here in the before you begin and the welcome to the course. If you have any technical issues or anything, there is a place in here to go through it. When you have quizzes or tests, there will be online proctoring, the Proctorio. So you want to make sure that you follow those steps to do that. As we work through the course, you will see that you go from one section to another, okay? 6 weeks calendars are here to keep you on task and up to speed. I am going to grant some grace for the first couple of weeks. I know that I didn't even get this class until the night before it started. And I know that some of you guys struggled getting things up and running initially as well. So I will probably give you to the middle of next week to work on getting everything caught up. But then at that point, we want to make sure that we are staying with our pacing. And I will show you where that is in the welcome to the course. Okay, so you saw the calendar. If you wind up after the first couple of weeks having late work, there's 10-point deduction per day for others. I say others, other grades and minor grades. I will not count off for major grades. Those are your major projects. However, you do need to make sure that you're working on them. And if you turn in anything after the due date, please, please, please make sure that you send me a message through Canvas inbox so that I know to go check it. Okay, because if I finish grading and you haven't turned it in yet, I may not see it. I may not see it for a while because it doesn't just like pop out and tell me that it's there. Okay. I want to let you know that your grades, 50% of your grade is your major projects and tests, 35% are your minors, and 15% are your others. The first part of this course is done through a little program that gets added into Canvas. It's called Codesters, and it walks you through some basic steps of building your own code. It's a block-based coding program. And after you get through a few certain tools or pieces of code, blocks of code, you'll have a little assignment to do. So when you do that, you will get to the interactive e-card, and there will be a handout that goes in your Google Drive for you to fill out and then submit into the assignment. And I put a little bit more direction in that in the tutorials that I held earlier today. As far as tutorials, I am going to host a Zoom on Monday evenings at 5 p.m. I will record them so that if you are not able to attend, you can at least go back and see what I covered. And hopefully that helps. For those of you that are taking this through this course because you didn't have a teacher available at your school. Know that I have duty periods first, fourth, and fifth period. Now, that does mean that sometimes I have actual duties that I have to do, but I can also sometimes get on a Zoom to help you if you happen to be in a study hall that period for your class, okay? If you're at Morton Ranch, your sub, I've already talked to several times. He knows how to get in touch with me, and has been good about contacting me when things don't work properly, or if you guys have questions. So please continue to utilize him as well, okay? He'll contact me if needed, but you don't hesitate to get on the Canvas inbox and message me yourself. I think that's all I have for you. Oh, no, that's not all I have for you. You will see grades in here, but they're also going to go in TAC. Okay, so I want to make sure you see that. Your official grades will go in there. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you. Have a good night.